Have you ever stopped to think about how some people come into our lives in such a magical way, almost as if it were destined? It's as if there's an invisible script where these encounters are written long before they happen. It feels like there's something in the air, a whisper, an intuition that tells us this is not just a coincidence. These connections are driven by a spiritual force, a destiny that unfolds not just to achieve accomplishments, but to create a unique bond, perhaps with that person we call a soulmate. And this connection, which seems to transcend time and space, carries a melancholy, a sense of déjà vu, as if we have already lived something similar before, unfinished challenges, secrets that only these two souls know. This familiarity makes us question, why this restlessness if the promise of true love and the fulfillment of our dreams seems so evident? The answer goes beyond our understanding, touching the heart of our spirituality. The key to calming this restlessness lies in the strength of the sacred connection that united us. It is in the balance of life, in the mutual support we receive from a guardian angel, a spiritual force. When we face anguish and obstacles, we are not alone. There is something greater that sustains us, an invisible but concrete support that guides us through the tumultuous path to serenity. This connection between two people is not a work of chance but a predestined encounter, a common mission of soulmates to achieve harmony, fulfill dreams, and live a true love. It is a sign that, despite the obstacles and past pains, there is always a higher force, a divine plan that motivates us to move forward, to seek and offer mutual support. On this journey, we realize that emotional pain is also a means of evolution, an invitation to connect even more deeply with our essence and our spirituality. By facing these challenges side by side, we not only heal past wounds, but also pave the way for a balanced existence, full of true love and the fulfillment of the deepest desires of our soul. So, listen to what your guardian angel has to say, feel this spiritual energy that surrounds you, and trust the path that opens before you. Every encounter, every challenge, every solution we find, every support we offer and receive, all have a reason for being. And in the midst of this journey, never forget, you are not alone. The synchronicities, the meetings of souls, the deep connection with someone special, none of this is by chance. It's as if there were a cosmic conspiracy in your favor. The presence of this person in your life is a sign that incredible moments are coming. You share dreams and aspirations, and, more than that, you share a vibrant energy that infects and elevates everyone around you. This spiritual force that you perceive, this celestial direction, is an invitation to explore your capabilities to the fullest. During this journey, you realize that you are not alone. Your guardian angel and this significant person walk with you, offering constant support. The secret to achieving the success and abundance you desire lies in the synergy of your efforts and the confidence you place in your convictions and goals. Entering this connection, it becomes clear that it is not just about seeking personal success, but embarking on a journey of shared evolution. It is an invitation to celebrate each achievement together and learn from the obstacles, thus strengthening this unique bond. This partnership goes beyond the ordinary, becoming a driving force for the realization of each other's deepest dreams. It is a process of giving and receiving, where each shared experience is a step towards a future of common achievements and happiness. What truly makes a connection between two people so extraordinary is this incredible ability to mutually inspire each other to reach previously unimaginable heights and keep the flame of hope alive, even when circumstances seem unfavorable. Every step you take together is a celebration of faith, perseverance, and the love you share. And as you move forward on this journey, it's important to remember that the support you offer each other is essential to overcoming all challenges. This is just the beginning of a wonderful journey that promises not only success, but also profound spiritual and emotional enrichment. So, move forward with confidence into the unknown, knowing that together you are stronger and capable of conquering everything that lies ahead. Living this story in partnership brings incomparable comfort, especially when you have such a unique and deep connection. This special bond you share has the power to drive away all those who try to break this perfect synergy. Your union is a fortress built on mutual trust and understanding, reinforcing the idea that you are stronger together. However, finding balance is an art throughout the journey you share. There will be times when opinions differ, and decisions become complex. That is where the true essence of mutual support shines. You help each other find a compromise where the dreams and realities of each align. This quest for balance is not just about compromise, but also about mutual growth, mutual learning, and valuing the journey as much as the destination. The realization that you are on this journey together, facing the highs and lows side by side, strengthens the connection even more. It's not just about protecting each other, but elevating each other, continually inspiring each other, and transforming together into a better version of yourselves. This shared journey is an opportunity to explore the unknown, live life in all its nuances, side by side. You realize that, no matter the size of the difficulties, the strength of unity can overcome any obstacle. The key to a bright future lies in the ability to adapt, transform each experience into an opportunity for growth, and always remember the invaluable value that each brings to the other's life. Looking to the horizon, ready to face whatever comes, every step taken together is a testament to the power of a true connection. The journey you have decided to undertake together is a testament to the love and complicity you share. As long as you remain united, nothing can stop you. The feeling of déjà vu in every encounter, every conversation, every shared moment, is not mere coincidence. It is proof that your souls are intertwined by a story that transcends time and space. You not only relive memories of past lives, but recreate and build new moments of success, wealth, and recognition. The idea that you were important to each other in a previous existence adds a deep layer of meaning to your current relationship, explaining the ease with which you understand each other and the profound comfort you feel in each other's presence. This sense of a shared destiny is reinforced by the belief in a greater plan, a spiritual journey you are destined to travel together. The irresistible attraction, the higher force that binds you, is the same that drives you to seek greatness in this world. You are like two stars in orbit, whose light only intensifies when you are together. This union is not only about the past, but also about conquering new heights, achieving successes that once seemed impossible. Each other's presence in your lives acts as a catalyst for the manifestation of positive energies. You are at a crucial moment where the past and present merge to create a future full of possibilities. The idea that you have already succeeded together in a past life serves as a powerful reminder that anything is possible when you have faith in each other and in the chosen path. As this journey unfolds, it becomes increasingly evident the importance of being connected and aligned with your goals. The strength of your union is powerful and increasingly essential. Delve deep into the memories of your souls. Seek those lessons and strengths that made you invincible in the past. It's not just about discovering who you were, but defining who you want to be. It is time to unite forces, support each other, and boldly embrace this divinely orchestrated destiny, ready to live everything to the fullest. On this path of discovery and reunion, you realize an undeniable truth: the strength of the connection you share. This awareness not only reinforces the bonds between you, but also teaches the importance of exclusivity and loyalty in a relationship. So far, the journey has shown that together, you form a powerful unit capable of facing and overcoming challenges that seemed insurmountable. Mutual support is not only a pillar of individual growth, but also the foundation for building a shared future. This learning translates into the ability to face adversities with unwavering resilience. You discover that by supporting each other, you can achieve a harmony that transcends common understanding. This does not mean that the path will always be easy, but that each challenge can be overcome when faced together. It's time to put into practice everything you have learned about love, support, and commitment. The next stage of this journey promises to be even more revealing. By applying these lessons in daily life, you shape a relationship that not only survives, but thrives in the face of uncertainties. The delicacy and sensitivity of the special person complement your strength, creating a perfect balance. This feeling of comfort and security is rare, a true treasure that many seek but few find. This secret love that few know and no one completely understands is a mystery that only you can unravel. It carries a magic that protects and guides you, like a beacon illuminating the way to the unknown. You realize that this connection is not just about being together, but also about fulfilling a destiny that seems written in the stars long before you met. With this deep understanding of the love you share, a challenge arises. How to protect this pure and intense feeling in a world that constantly tries to define and limit what love should be. You decide that, whatever the obstacles and external opinions, you will protect and cultivate this unique love with all your strength. After all, it is this love that makes you extraordinary, that gives color and meaning to each other's lives. As you prepare to face the world together, armed with this indestructible connection, you are determined to preserve the essence of what you have built, protecting it from external influences. It is time to devise a plan. Imagine a future where this love will not only survive but flourish. A future where, together, you will show the world that true love knows no bounds, has no pre-established definition, and above all, does not need to be understood by everyone. This love, which began as a seed, has grown to become a safe haven and proof that the deepest connections are those that transcend logic and common understanding. Now, more than ever, you are ready to navigate the waters of life, guided by the light of this love you have chosen to protect at all costs. And as you prepare to take the next step in this adventure, you know that, no matter what happens, the love you share will always be the compass that guides you back to each other. The challenge now is to face the shadows of the past, acknowledge the wounds you both carry, and begin a healing journey together. It is a path that requires vulnerability, courage, and above all, mutual trust. The pain, though uncomfortable, serves as a catalyst to deepen the connection between you, an opportunity to reveal what has been hidden and strengthen the bonds that unite you. Every conversation, every moment of understanding, and every gesture of support becomes a step toward better self-knowledge and understanding of each other. These moments not only reveal unknown depths of intimacy, but also solidify a resilient partnership. Imagine for a moment a future full of infinite possibilities. Each obstacle you overcome together not only strengthens each of you individually, but also creates an indestructible union between you. Now, you are more prepared than ever to face any challenge life may throw at you, with the confidence that the foundation of your relationship is unshakable, forged in truth, mutual understanding, and a love that has the power to heal the deepest wounds. Reflect on this. The synchronicity you experience is not mere chance. It is the tangible manifestation of the essence of who you are, a glimpse of the greater purpose of your existences, beginning to unfold before your eyes. You are immersed in a spiritual energy that goes beyond logic, a force that cannot be fully understood by the mind, but is intensely felt in the heart. Even if you cannot put it into words or fully understand it, there is something in this process that resonates deeply, a powerful, undeniable feeling capable of transformation. This deep connection and incredible energy are not just abstract concepts, they are alive, pulsating, and real. You are in the midst of a powerful transformation, one that shapes not only your relationship, but also your perception of yourselves and the world around you. Together, you discover that true love goes far beyond the surface. It heals, unites, and reveals the deepest mysteries of the universe and the human soul. Living this new stage where authenticity and the true expression of yourselves become the guiding compass in your lives, you are about to embark on a journey not only exciting and slightly intimidating, but also profoundly liberating. Aligning with your true purpose brings a sense of harmony that has the power to completely transform your existence. But it's natural to wonder, what now? What comes next? How can you navigate this new phase of life with this newfound awareness? The next chapter of this adventure invites you to dive even deeper into the spiritual and divine connection you have begun to explore. You will realize that your actions, thoughts, and decisions shape not only your own journey, but also have a significant impact on the world around you. It is the moment to recognize how living in alignment with this purpose enriches not only your personal life, but also contributes positively to the community, expanding your influence network and perhaps generating a wave of positive change on a global scale. As you deepen this understanding, you will discover that every consciously made choice can be an act of power, an echo that resonates beyond the limits of the individual. You will begin to see how integrity, compassion, and authenticity can influence others in ways you never imagined. It is an opportunity to transform the perception of yourselves and the world, to contribute to a brighter and more meaningful future, not just for you but for everyone around you. Living this new phase with this elevated awareness means fully embracing your role as agents of change. It means understanding that every act of kindness, every conscious decision, every moment of true self-expression has the potential to sow hope and inspire transformations. You are now in a unique position to positively influence your environment, to lead by example, showing how life can be lived fully and authentically. So, as you move forward, remember that this path is not just about self-discovery and personal growth. It is also about how you can contribute to a better world. Every step taken with integrity and love brings you closer not only to your highest purpose, but also opens the way for others to follow. You now hold the key to unlocking a future where authenticity and the true expression of yourselves light the way not only for you, but for all of humanity. Remember that every step forward is an essential part of the universe's grand plan for you. Be open to learning, growing, and above all, sharing the true love and light you have discovered within yourselves. This is not just the beginning of a new chapter in your lives, but also an opportunity to inspire positive changes around you, catalyzing a wave of love, understanding, and fulfillment.